Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush from more reviews. You know, it's Rush the Discover Boss with you. Another update, another review. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe for more content. Subscribing is completely free. And definitely like the video as well, because that helps the video to spread. Definitely leave your comment on the video and share as well. And if you want to donate to the channel, all that option is in the description. PayPal and different other ways how you can donate to the channel. So we're here today in Ferry-Pen. So this is the Ferry-Pen, an industrial area. So it's being developed as an industrial complex. We have the newly finished Ferry Highway or Mandela Highway right here, and then on this side you have Ferry-Pen with a lot of industrial complex that were developed or being developed right now. Alright, so one of the first companies we have out here is Nestle Jamaica. They were previously in Bagwalk, St. Catherine, and then this is now their distribution center, main office as well. There's other companies such as Shacman, Derrimon Trading, Tropical Battery, and some companies still being developed right now in this industrial complex. So definitely stay tuned to get a full tour of this area. So let's take a walk. So this is Nestle Jamaica right at the front. Alright, so this is towards the back of Nestle Jamaica, the distribution center and main office. Over this side we have a company, not sure who's over here, but I think it's a distribution company. And then we have this left turn right here which goes to the back of Nestle. So they have been putting in drainage, sidewalks and road. So that's sidewalk, and then that's a construction down there. I think some person said it's a BPO, not sure as yet, but that's something being developed right now. We'll get a bit closer in a second as well. Alright, so a lot of trucks as well because it is an industrial complex. So a lot of trucks too. So right there is to the back of Nestle. And that's Mandela. So still a lot of space for more development, for more buildings. And then this is the new construction right here. I think it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floors. Not sure if it's a BPO, but some person said it's a BPO. So very good quality road and drainage right now. Alright, so this was one of the new roads they built. So this road leads out to Ferry. So rather than going around the entire distance, then this will be an entrance and exit. It's not open yet, it's blocked off at the front. As I mentioned, good road quality, good sidewalks. They raised the level of the road as well because this area is prone for flooding. Alright, so good quality roads, good drainage. They worked on that as well, and still have a lot of land space to get developed. I'm sure some investors, some companies probably start, earmark some of these land space. They have fire hydrants as well, so a lot of the infrastructure is in place. It's just for the investors to come in. So good quality road. I think down that side, that warehouse is Derrimon Trading. They're a distribution company. It's a very big warehouse. Two of them actually. We're gonna try and get closer to that side. We have Shacman down there as well. And then, as I mentioned, that building being constructed. And then we have Nestle over this side. So very big area, very big land space. At one point, a couple of years ago, this was just an entire wasteland. So it's good that some development is reaching it. As you can see, they raised the level of the road so that flooding and other stuff. So it's a good look so far, guys. What do you think? What are your thoughts? And then we can't ignore those mansions on the hill. you know, 2 stories, 3 stories. Apologies for the wind noise, guys. It's very windy. Trying to get rid of the wind as best as possible, but you know, still very windy. Alright, so we're gonna take a look at Tropical Battery down that side. They're newly opened. They just finished their construction, so this is one of their main outlets. I think they're also planning to go public as well in terms of IPO. The whole COVID probably slowed that down, but that's a newly finished building. See if we can get a little bit closer. Alright, so I think that's a pump house or water station currently under construction right there. And then the new Tropical Battery is right behind me, so we'll take a look on that shortly. Then in some areas, guys, we see where there's already entrance being developed, and it's been marked out for development per se. So we're seeing that as well. So we know a lot more complex and company will come, just in due time. So let's see. Alright, so we're down from the main road. The ferry highway is up there. Now we see our construction is happening over this side. Looks like a warehouse type building. And we have something being developed right here as well, in this corner lot. Then cross the road, we have somewhere just fenced up. So a lot of complexes over this side, guys, a lot of companies, a lot of industrial companies. Right over here we have Shacman, which is a truck company partnered with Tankwell. So they have dump truck, water truck, flatbeds, and they're doing really good. It's a Chinese company. They're competing with some of the, you know, the brands we're used to, like International. So that's Shacman Trucking Company. So a lot of construction around this side, a lot of happenings. Let's see if we can go on a little bit more. And guys, remember to leave your comments, remember to leave your thoughts, share your opinions. Alright, so over here we have Shacman Jamaica, powered by Tankwell. So that's a shipping company. Different trucks and tractors and trailers. So that's Shacman Jamaica. Alright, so over here beside Shacman we have the company that worked on the Mandela Highway, CCCC, which is China Harbor Engineering Company. It's one of the sub companies. I think this was probably their main office, you know, their base for a lot of the road construction. Then we have more land space, more empty lands. We have our beautiful houses up in the hills, mansions. And then we have Petcom behind us, which is Petcom Gas Company. And then the road down here leads to Derrimon Trading, which is a warehouse distribution company. So Derrimon Trading, a lot of companies lined up. Alright guys, so this is basically where the tour ends, the review ends. So Tropical Battery over there. And then we have Nestle, that new construction over here. And then behind me is Derrimon Trading Warehouse. Two big warehouses. That's Derrimon Trading. Alright guys, so if you have made it this far in the video, definitely like, definitely subscribe, and leave your comments in terms of the Ferry-Pen industrial complex area. What are your thoughts? What do you think? Definitely leave your comments, guys. This is the first review, the first update on this area. So as construction progresses, as more companies come along, I'll definitely give you guys update as well. For some areas, as you realize, the drainage is not yet completed, but they're doing it in phases. So thanks for watching. Thanks for being a part of the Rush Ramon Reviews family. Thanks for all the new persons that subscribe, and leave your comments, and definitely like and share.